Good morning everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 6, that is Graphics in Microsoft Word 2010. So for better understanding, let's move to the Windows screen. Applying special effects. Word 2010 offers a newly added feature for adding special artistic effects to the inserted image or clip art. We can quickly convert our new image or normal image to a drawing, sketch or a painting. So now let's see how we can convert any image into different forms. For applying any special effect, first we have to add picture in our document. As you can see here, I have added one picture from the clip art section. Now we will go to the artistic effect option, that is in adjust group on the format tab. Again, as I already told you, we will not get the format option until we will not select the part of editing. Means we will not get the format option unless we will not select the part in which you want to do some editing. So first select it. Now you can see here the last option, that is format, is appeared at the after view option. Now we will go at the format tab. Now you can see here in a picture style you will find three options. First is picture shapes, next is picture border, and last one is picture effect. As we are going to add artistic effect, so we will get all the effect under picture effect option, right? Now when we will click over this, we will get so many effect options here, like preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edge, bevel, 3D rotation. Now we want an artistic effect. So these all are artistic effect. If you want to add some different effects, you can use it. You can now let's first try preset. How's it look? You can see whenever I am putting my mouse cursor over these preset effects, automatically the picture is also showing us the preview. Now shadow effect. Okay, maybe it is not that much possible to show you. Reflection effect. You can see at the bottom of this image it is appearing like we can see our effect, our shadow on the water. Glow effect, soft edge, bevel, 3D rotation. Okay, so these all are artistic effect. Next is applying picture styles. Word 2010 has a present style gallery to apply ready-made styles on the inserted image. Now for applying style, again we will click on our picture, then we will go to the format tab, and you can find here different picture styles. When you will click at the drop down button, you can see all the picture style options are enlisted in front of this column. Now according to our choice, you can select any picture style. Alright. Next is inserted pre-designed shapes. We have already studied this option, how to insert pre-designed shape. For inserting anything, whether it is a picture, clip art, table, shapes, chart, anything, you have to go to the insert option. So we will go back to our insert option for adding pre-designed shapes. And under this illustration, you will find shapes. Clicking over this shapes button, you can find here so many different shapes are here. First is recently used shapes. Recently means which you have recently used, okay, which you have used just now. Those shapes comes under recently shaped group. Next is lines. After that there is a basic shapes. After basic shapes there are block arrows. Next is flow chart, and next is call outs. At the last, draw and banners. If these shapes are not enough, you can create your new shape according to your choice. Now let's add some shapes in our document. As I have used this one, if you want to increase or decrease the size, just put the mouse cursor over these blue dots and drag it towards the size which you want to increase. So this way we can increase or decrease the size. Now you can see here there are 3 different colors of dot. One is blue one, another is yellow, and next is green. Here green color help us to move, slightly move our inserted image, and yellow color help us to change the size of different shapes which we have inserted or which are connected together to form an image. And blue color dot help us to increase or decrease the size of image. Alright. Now next is adding text to the shape. If you want to enter some text in the inserted image, what we will do, we will go again to the insert option, and here you will find in the text group there is a text box. We will select the text box, and here it is asking us what kind of text box you want to add. So this is the simple text box which I have inserted here, and you can again drag it according to the image. and we can write any message or any wishes you want to insert in the picture. Like I want to write here happy birthday. Alright. So this way we can increase the size of our text also. Next is changing shape color. As we have inserted the shape, if you want to add some color in this shape, what we will do, again we will go back to the home option for adding. You can see here I have added one shape, and now we will learn how to add color in the shape. Okay, again we will go to the format tab. Here you will find the option shape fill. So according to your choice you can select the color, and if you want to insert some more color, this is the outline color which I am applying here, and so this way we can add shape, we can change the size of shape, and we can add even color also. Alright. So that's all for today. I hope you understood each and every topic. Now we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.